will rescue a wife. His face, not condemned now. There is no beauty in it. It is scarred into my heart. It is burned into my soul. And never released until I die. Die? Will that face the blemish consume me? Traitor! Not ambition in hell can even be the right for the Son of God. And last night, little Mrs. Jeffrey, he washed my feet, made me to put my hands into the cup of tea. When in my purse, there jingled the coins which bought his blood. It was better for that man that he had never been born. Who? Who but I? Who but I? I who betrayed you. What you do? You will take it. He knew and gave my sin at his hand. Friend, whereunto have you come? Judas, Judas, do you betray that God that is? Friend, call me a friend. The man I betrayed called me his friend. How hell must have loved. Why did not the mountains fall on me? Why did not the earth give and swallow me up? Why did not the sea overwhelm me? Friend, ha ha! Friend, ha ha ha! The world you know, Judas is the word. The word will point to Judas as a byword and as a pledge of broken faith. Do you think, Judas, you can hide from the fire of his friend Jesus? Not even in hell can I escape. Not in the grave, where the earth will burn my corpse. Not in the heavens where Jesus, the birth. What hope for Judas? What hope for Judas? Not even in hell can I be recalled with them. And devils cried out, Lord, let us now. Jesus, Judas, faithless friend, one of whom it would have been better not to have been born. There is no hope for you. No hope, no hope.